I don't have skis on.
Yeah, he doesn't have skis. He doesn't know how to ski. But I'm skiing because I love skiing. Let's go!
Yes. Wow, so beautiful. So you brought her all the way from Iceland? He's born in Norway. Okay.
Woo. We're going to walk on that lake a little bit. See what he's doing.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings. Messed up and I'm sprung.
For security purposes, there are people who go on the lake and make holes.
It makes me wanna come over.
We are walking on the lake.
Wanna come over.
See so many Norwegians.
Thinking about your
See what they're doing.
swimming pool is closed.
Beautiful. Hello guys. Yeah, it's a beautiful day here. My children are going to do cross-country ski and I'm home. I'm going to cook and then I'm going to take a long walk with a friend of mine. We will eat dinner here and then we will eat dessert outside. So I'm going to cook some lentil. Lentil is something that when I cook in this house, I do not want to use meat and my son is never happy about it. So why don't we prepare some lentil? I'm going to show you the way I make it. I make it exactly the way we do make beans in Cameroon. We eat a lot of beans in Cameroon. We have maybe 100 types of beans in Cameroon. So let me show you how to do it. First thing first, I've boiled my lentils and I'm going to cut my white onion, finished cut. Now I'm going to do some curry. Let's cook, guys. Let's cook.
I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think
Cooking some tomato. You see?
I'll be coming right back on.
I brown my onion and then I add some spring onion in it.
Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors.
This is okay. Bring a pork with some tomato that have been cooked. I add just the things inside there. I add just a part of the things I fried. Yeah, the rest I keep some oil. My daughter has been so kind to pick the lentils, wash it, and boil it.
She is popping. Oh, popping is then. Lentils are so good, especially with mama's broth. That's like chicken. Wow.
Mix.
You know what the lentils look like?
Let it cook for 10 minutes and then we're going to add the other thing. So I've been frying some oil right there. It's hot.
Woo! I thought you said it was gonna go.
Yeah, it didn't because it was not hot enough.
Fun fact, guys, Kevin does not know how to ski.
Yeah, that's really bad.
That's such a sad fact because he's half Norwegian. He doesn't. I don't even think he likes the fact that he's half Norwegian. He should.
Guys, you should taste this.
Yeah, you should.
You should taste it.
It's so good. It's like
This is fire.
it's yummy heaven.
Yummy heaven.
It's like it's seriously bomb.com. It's like all the good flavors in one.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Woo. You don't even have to eat this with rice for it to be good. It's good on its own too.
It's so good.
It's good with bread on its own. Rice. Probably pasta too. Oh, yeah, I like
It's
pasta.
very good with bread. Just ask me now.
Yeah, we just had it.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye guys.
Bye.
We're gonna eat. You guys. This is so crazy. It's so good. So for dinner on my plate today, we got some special sourdough bread, lentils that we just watched my mama make. These are the best lentils. It's good with bread, rice, and it's on its own. It's really delicious. It's one of those things that it's just good.
It's okay to eat it without meat.
I also forgot to say, it's also good as pie.
Yeah.
I was just out skiing and it's cold. I just come back and I'm welcomed home by a warm plate of lentils and bread. It's so delicious, guys. Words can't even describe it. It's like when you take a bite, it's like a flavor bomb. Oh my gosh.
We're going to walk on that lake a little bit.
You want to go there and interview him?
What do you there? Yeah, it would have been nice, but how do we get to him? He's going so fast. I don't know. I don't think we make it. See what he's doing? For security purpose, there are people who go on the lake and make holes. You see? Now he stopped there. It means that area is not safe. It's too soft. I think he's going to get like a pillar and put it there. We are walking on the lake. See so many Norwegians. See what they are doing. Beautiful. This is Lake Semsvan. Just search it up, guys, and you will see. And looks like this right now. Soon spring. We have music. When you will be here by my side, waiting for tonight. Oh my God, guys! We are playing music. We are dancing. A lot of Norwegians, when they see us, they're smiling. Just one couple didn't smile. They were not happy. But it has helped us to walk for an hour, and now it's time to get ready to go home. So beautiful day. I feel so good, guys. See how beautiful it is. Look at the mountain. Okay, now we should try this. Walk on the lake, guys. Walk on the lake. Skiing everywhere. We were walking there just now, right there, and the people were shouting at us like, "Oh, please, do not go to walk here. This is a ski track." I think those people are in some kind of school. They are learning, you see? Because there's the stand and then
You can hug him if you want.
this is an Icelandic horse.
Yes.
Wow, so beautiful. So you brought her all the way from Iceland?
He's born in Norway.
Okay.
He's 27 years of age.
Wow.
So he's retiring.
Oh.
Yo, this is my weekend and this is what I've decided to do. Currently we're at just like skiing in the forest, you know, me and my brother. So
I don't have skis on.
yeah, he doesn't have ski. He doesn't know how to ski. But I'm skiing because I love skiing. Let's go!
The very, very long picture.
Bye.
Var det?